What is the temperature of this blizzard? -10. And it started coming over this Great Lakes of USA and North America. So what is the temperature of liquid? 2. और उसके ऊपर से जो एयर मूव कर रहा है, what is its temperature? So whose temperature is more? Lake. And then the water started coming out, vapor coming out due to difference in temperature. And then उस blizzard wind में क्या आ जाएगा? This water vapor will come and due to very low temperature below freezing point, they will convert into snow, and further it causes heavy snowfall in New York and all the cities. New York is a state. All the states, they started getting heavy snowfall. कई बार आप सुनते होंगे there is a heavy snowfall has been taken place every year. So this is happening what? Due to what I said, that temperature of the liquid should be greater than the temperature of atmosphere. Understood? और जब हम लोग साइक्लोन बताएंगे तो उस समय मैं बताता हूं कि सी सरफेस टेम्परेचर शुड वेपर बनाने के लिए इट शुड बी इक्वल टू और ग्रेटर देन 26.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. साइक्लोन के लिए सी सरफेस टेम्परेचर, इसका मतलब 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस नहीं होना चाहिए. सी सरफेस टेम्परेचर शुड बी व्हाट? इक्वल टू और ग्रेटर देन 26.5 degree Celsius. Now, this water has been converted into, yes, tell me what? Vapor, or it can be at any temperature. When it will go, so when it started, what is the latent heat of fusion? Fusion का मतलब क्या है? Solid to liquid. लेकिन क्लाइमेट में जो चाहिए हमें क्या चाहिए? पहला चाहिए latent heat of vaporization. Or what is the meaning of vaporization? It is an amount of heat required to change the state of matter from liquid to gas. Fusion में क्या था? Amount of heat required to change the solid to liquid. And here I said that vaporization means liquid to gas. Amount of heat required to change the state of matter from liquid to gas. इसका मतलब where the energy is more. एनर्जी किसके अंदर छुपा हुआ है? Yes, tell me. जो हमने दिया एक्स्ट्रा, तो where the energy is hidden? गैस में, in the water vapor. और have you heard about that? Water at 100 degrees Celsius is dangerous, or steam at 100 degrees Celsius is dangerous, because it has an extra hidden heat. Yes or not? Getting my point? And when this water vapor will go up, then adiabatic expansion से temperature decrease होगा. And when they will decrease, then they will start what? Condensing. और जैसे ही condense होंगे, जिसके hidden heat क्या हो जाएगा? It will come out. Yes or not? When the vapor will condense, then what will happen? तो यहाँ पे amount of heat required नहीं होगा, latent heat of condensation. This is very much required in, I said that, cyclone formation. And this is the main mechanism required for cyclone formation. What is which word I said? Latent heat of condensation. And latent heat of condensation में क्या हो रहा है? Latent what is happening? It is gaseous to liquid. लेकिन इस केस में क्या हो रहा है? Energy is released. Energy is it is an amount of heat released. Yes or not? It is an amount of heat released to change the state of matter from gaseous to liquid state. कि जो hidden था that has come out. समझ में आ गया? तो latent heat of condensation में क्या होगा? ये energy will be released or it will be absorbed. फटाफट बोलो, released होगा या absorbed होगा? Release. Latent heat of condensation means heat will be, the vapor will convert into water droplets, means जो कि उसके अंदर का heat का था वो ठंडा हो गया, and that has been released. This is the main mechanism for, I said that, cyclone formation. And I said that, I have said, what is this? 100 particles, and then heat which is coming 1000 calorie, and it has an 100 particles, and when this parcel of air moved upward, then these particles move apart, and as per the dry air, according to the dry adiabatic lapse rate, what is this? 10 degrees Celsius per kilometer. If it is 30 kilometer, there should be what? 20 degrees Celsius. Means this temperature is how much? इसकी temperature कितनी है? 20. But अभी आपने देखा था कंडेंसेशन कब होता है? जब when there is a saturation is there. When the moisture is completely saturated. Saturated समझते होंगे. When the air is completely filled up with the moisture. So when I said there is a moisture, but at this point what happened? At this point, water vapor condensation, saturation. When the saturation occurred, then what will happen? Means the cloud condensation. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Saturation occurred means cloud condensation of water droplets. Then the heat will be released. And when the heat released, and it is how much released? At 5 degrees Celsius. So what is the total temperature? Here it is. 20 plus. According to dry, it should be 20. But if it is saturated, then the saturated air is releasing how much heat? 5 degrees Celsius. It means the temperature is how much decreasing? 5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. And which air is this? Saturated adiabatic lapse rate. Which I said that? Saturated. And this is known as a saturated adiabatic lapse rate. And how much it is? I said that 5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. And I have said that environmental how much it is? It can be 3 to 15, 16 degrees Celsius per kilometer. It can be anything. These are the और आप लोग जो पढ़ते हैं क्या पढ़ते हैं? Normal lapse rate. So dry adiabatic lapse rate the standard, saturated adiabatic lapse rate for the standard, but environment can behave in any way. Yes. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, चलो बाद में देखेंगे. Descending air will be dry air or moisture? जब भी एयर डिसेंड होगा इट विल बी ऑलवेज, सो इट विल बी एट एवरी 10 किलोमीटर एयर टेम्परेचर विल इंक्रीज बाय 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. याद रहेगा. एट एवरी 1 किलोमीटर टेम्परेचर विल इंक्रीज बाय 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो वी हैव गॉट सम आइडिया अबाउट इट एंड आई विल कम ऑन टू दिस. ये सारी चीज़ों को मैं करूँगा क्योंकि आज की क्लास के लिए थोड़ा सा एडियाबैटिक कंसेप्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो प्रेशर बेड्स. I said that there is a pressure beds. Yesterday we have done the primary wind pattern. Yes. First I am talking about pressure belt, and then it is I said that equatorial low pressure belt, and that is between 5 degree north to 5 degree south. 5 degree north to 5 degree south. And someone says 10 degree also, 10 degree north to 10 degree south, doesn't matter क्योंकि ये move करता है. This belts used to move by 5 degree north more and then south more due when the sun used to shift. equatorial low pressure belt. The first it is, I said that is thermally originated. How it is originated? And every day rainfall, and that is, I said that between yes, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. and how much? Around 200 to 400 centimeter in a year. How much rainfall? 200 to, and when in the ITCJ in this region, when the air goes up, so ये moisture जाता है तो कैसे convert होगा? It will be in the form of cumulus cloud, and moisture is more than it can convert into what? Cumulonimbus cloud. So which are the two important clouds will form in the equatorial region? Cumulus and cumulonimbus. Otherwise cumulonimbus formed during the cyclone. So cumulus and which two clouds are forming? By which cloud? By cumulus and cumulo. These are the cloud. और निम्बस जो क्लाउड होता है वो नीचे से स्टार्ट होता है, इट कैन गो 10-12 किलोमीटर हाइट, क्यूमुलो निम्बस. और निम्बस का मतलब ही होता है हैवी रेनफॉल बेयरिंग क्लाउड. एंड आई सेड दैट दिस रीजन विल हैव another, I said that heavy rainfall every day. So which kind of forest it will have? Equatorial evergreen forest. Which kind of forest it will have? Now, थोड़ा सा मैं economics aspect में आऊँ. What is the economic benefit of this forest? हाँ? चलो high biodiversity. Economic aspects I am asking. फॉरेस्ट एज ए रिसोर्स है. अब तुम उससे मेडिसिन बनाओ या कुछ करो, आपकी मर्जी है. दिस इज इन सॉफ्टवुड और हार्डवुड. फर्स्ट थिंग हार्डवुड, वेरी हार्डवुड, एंड हार्डवुड आर यूटिलाइज्ड इन मेकिंग फर्नीचर्स. हार्डवुड आर यूटिलाइज्ड इन मेकिंग furnitures. So we can be able to use in which industry? Yes, tell me. Furniture. And then one of the best furniture industry in the world in the present time you can see Singapore, who is what is सभी से लकड़ियां लेता है आसपास से, converting, making ply and all. Understood? So in this region there will be a must understand than furniture industry. So we have seen economical aspects mein, and then if I say that tribal people living in this area, yes or not? What is their life longevity? Yeah? Due to high humidity in this region, their life longevity is very less because humidity creates pathogens, and due to pathogens, life longevity is hardly, it is very less, 36 to 40 years. How much? Life longevity is how much? 36 to 40 years. Social aspects में देखा हमने. Health is the major problem. And then another problem that we are watching, I said that life longevity is how much only? I said that 36 to 40 years. Yes. Economic exploitation of these trees are possible at high level. Trees are not. वो तो वर्ल्ड का टेक्नोलॉजी ऐसा वो सब कर लेंगे. हाँ? The same चीज वही कर रहा है. The reason behind I said that high biodiversity, one tree to another tree there is in hundreds of species. Clear? I said that. So there is a highly heterogeneous biodiversity. High heterogeneous biodiversity is not helping in the what is an economic exploitation of it. High heterogeneous biodiversity not allow economic exploitation. ध्यान में रखिएगा. One chapter is of your optional, it is biogeography. Understood? And in that one, these topics will be utilized. It can be utilized in those areas. What is the soil? Soil will be fertile or less fertile? If it is less, which type of soil it will have? Huh? Yes? It has red yellow soil. It has which soil? Red yellow soil, and reason what highly infertile. And I said that therefore which practice is there? Shifting cultivation by tribal people. So one practice social activity is there. I said that high infertile soil, and that I said that red yellow soil, and that is I said that therefore shifting cultivation is the important practice. So it is we have seen economic and what is I said that social, and then we have been able to see high biodiversity. Understood? That is it is an environmental aspects also. Next I said that after this forest understanding we have been able to see, like I said, it is in a medicinal use and all. Now where I said that where the northeast trade wind and southeast trade wind meets, this is an equatorial low pressure belt, that is also known as ITCZ, intertropical convergence zone. Clear? Another, I said that no cyclone formation. No cyclone formation. Another, I said that this is known as doldrum. This is known as, yes. In this region, everywhere I said that same pressure. Pressure is what I said that? Pressure is what? So wind will move. Tell me.